Let's find 71 over 100 kg in grams. From the SI unit table for mass, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 71 over 100 kg will be equal to 71 over 100 kg times 1000 grams all over 1 kg. Simplifying, 1 kg divided by 1 kg will give us 1, and 71 over 100 kg divided by 1 kg will be left with 71 over 100. This equals 71 over 100 times 1000 grams. Simplifying, 100 divided by 100 will give us 1, and 1000 divided by 100 we are left with 10. 71 times 10 grams will be equal to 710 grams. Therefore, 710 grams is 71 over 100 kg in grams.